Ocean currents are a crucial topic in the UPSC IAS exam, especially under the Physical Geography section of General Studies 1. Here's a breakdown of the types of questions asked, along with model answers. 1. Factors influencing ocean currents. Question: which factors impact the formation of ocean currents and how do they influence the climate in different regions of the world? 250 words. Model answer. Introduction. Ocean currents are continuous movements of water in the ocean that follow set paths, like rivers in the ocean. Factors. Wind, the most significant driving force. Trade winds push surface waters westward, while westerlies drive currents eastward. Density differences, created by variations in temperature and salinity. Warm, less saline water rises, while cold, saltier water sinks, leading to vertical currents. Coriolis effect. The Earth's rotation deflects moving water to the right in the northern hemisphere, and to the left in the southern hemisphere, creating gyres, land masses. Continents deflect and divert currents, influencing their direction and flow. Influence on climate. Warm currents transport heat from the equator towards the poles, moderating temperatures in coastal areas. Example: the Gulf Stream warms Western Europe. Cold currents flow from polar regions towards the equator, cooling coastal areas, and often leading to fog formation. Example: the Canary Current cools the coast of North Africa. Monsoons. Seasonal winds driven by temperature differences between land and sea significantly affect ocean currents in the Indian Ocean. Conclusion: ocean currents play a vital role in distributing heat around the globe, influencing weather patterns, and supporting marine ecosystems. 2. Types of ocean currents. Question: differentiate between warm and cold ocean currents, giving examples of each. 150 words. Model answer. Warm currents originate in tropical regions and carry warm water towards the poles, moderate the climate of coastal areas, making them warmer and more humid. Example: the Gulf Stream, North Atlantic Drift, and Kuroshio Current. Cold currents originate in polar regions and carry cold water towards the equator, cool the climate of coastal areas, often leading to fog and increased aridity. Example: the Labrador Current, Canary Current, and Humboldt Current. Significance: both warm and cold currents play crucial roles in distributing heat around the globe, influencing weather patterns, and supporting marine ecosystems. 3. Impact on marine life. Question: how do ocean currents affect the distribution and abundance of marine life? 200 words. Model answer. Nutrient upwelling. Cold currents often bring nutrient-rich waters from the deep ocean to the surface, supporting phytoplankton growth. These areas become highly productive fishing grounds. Temperature regulation. Warm currents create favorable conditions for many marine species, while cold currents may limit their distribution. Larval dispersal. Currents help disperse the larvae of marine organisms, connecting populations and influencing genetic diversity. Migration routes. Many marine animals, such as whales and turtles, use ocean currents as navigational aids during their migrations. Pollution dispersal. Unfortunately, currents can also transport pollutants, such as plastics and oil spills, impacting marine ecosystems. 4. Case studies. Question: discuss the impact of the El Niño and La Niña phenomena on ocean currents and global climate. 250 words. Model answer. Introduction. El Niño and La Niña are climate patterns that occur across the tropical Pacific Ocean, affecting weather patterns worldwide.
El Niño,
characterized by unusually warm surface waters in the central and eastern Pacific, disrupts trade winds, reducing upwelling of nutrient-rich waters, impacting fisheries, leads to increased rainfall in some areas and droughts in others.
La Niña,
characterized by unusually cold surface waters in the central and eastern Pacific, strengthens trade winds, leading to increased upwelling and cooler temperatures, often associated with drier conditions in some regions and increased rainfall in others. Impact on ocean currents. Both phenomena significantly alter ocean currents, affecting the distribution of warm and cold waters across the Pacific. Global climate. These changes in ocean temperatures and currents have far-reaching impacts on global weather patterns, affecting agriculture, water resources, and ecosystems. Tips for answering.